Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. BRS Bank Reconciliation Statement. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Day 80 class. Today we are going to discuss about our second sum of BRS. Murthy and Sons passbook shows a balance of 21,700 as on 30 September 2019. On comparing the cash book, the following discrepancies were noted. Right, here it is given the passbook balance of Mr. Murthy and Sons on 30th September 2019. Comparing to the cash book, the following discrepancies were noted. Right, so this is our pro forma, and the main heading is Bank Reconciliation Statement of Murthy and Sons as on 30 September 2019. Let us draw the rough pro forma for cash book and passbook. CB cash book, PB passbook. It contains debit and credit columns. It contains debit and credit columns. Right, here it is given the passbook balance, and the balance is 21,700. Passbook balance means credit balance, 21,700. So minus credit plus debit. Check issued but not presented for payment. So we has given the check. What we has given, it will be entered in the credit side of the cash book, 2,500. And next, directly deposited by a customer, 3,000. That directly deposited means it is asset for us. If it is asset for us, a liability for the bank. So 3,000 in credit side of passbook. And next, interest credited by bank is found in passbook only. We are preparing the BRS in the model of as it is model. So it is given that interest credited by bank is found in passbook only. So we have to credit it in the passbook. Check deposited in bank but not credited. Not credited. That means we have to debit it. 3,500 in debit side of the cash book. Bank charges. Whatever we has paid through bank, it is debit. Bank charges 150 in the debit column of passbook. Prepare a BRS statement showing the balance as per cash book. So we have to show the balance of cash book. Right? Let us start our sum. Balance as per passbook. So the amount is 21,700 in the outer column. And next, add. First, in CB, 3,500. Check deposited in bank but not credited. We have to write D. Checks deposited in bank but not credited. And the amount is 3,500 in inner column. And next, 150 bank charges. E. Bank charges debited in passbook, 150 in inner column, and we have to make total 3,500 plus 150, 3,650. So 21,700 plus 3,650, and the total is 25,350. And And now we have to make less. First one, 2500. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment. Option A. And the amount is 2500 in the inner column. And next, 3000. Directly deposited by a customer. B. Direct payment into bank by a customer, 3000. And next, interest credited by bank is found in passbook only. Option C. Interest credited by bank, 575. And the total of minus symbols is 2500 plus 3000 plus 575. 6075. And now 25,350 minus 6075. 19,275. This is the bank balance as per cash book. Right, this is our second sum of BRS. It's very easy. If we are able to know this rough work, we can easily do the sum. Thank you. I hope you like the videos. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.